Picture this. You were convicted of a misdemeanor, but your background check report shows an aggravated felony. That's a career-ending mistake. Or maybe the charges against you were even dismissed, but your background check report makes it look like you were convicted and served time. Not exactly the kind of surprise you want when applying for a job. Look, screwing up and facing legal trouble is hard enough, but when a background check report shows inaccurate or false information, you're never allowed to move on. These mistakes happen more often than you think. Sometimes, it's a simple clerical error. Other times, background check companies rely on outdated court records that never got updated. Either way, old, outdated, or inaccurate information shows up just in time to ruin your shot at getting something that you want and deserve. Background check mistakes include things like minor offenses being reported as a felony, arrests in which you were never charged looking like charges were filed, dismissed charges looking like you were convicted and served time, sealed or expunged records that should never show up anywhere getting reported anyway. Or how about just basic identity confusion? Share a similar name, birthday, or social security number with someone else? Congratulations, their record might now be yours. Sometimes the mistake even starts with the court. But no matter where it begins, you should not be the one paying the price. That's where consumer attorney steps in. We don't just fix the mistake. We make sure the companies responsible pay for the mess they caused. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, they're required to cover your legal fees and any compensation you deserve. That means you get justice without spending a dime out of your own pocket. Look, reading fiction is great, just not when it's your background check report. Consumer attorneys, we fight to clear your name. You reclaim your life.